Okay, so this video is for those of you that have the 2020 Palisade or the 2021 Palisade, and you guys have that annoying wind noise. My Palisade had that wind noise, no longer had that annoying wind noise, and then the whistling, like it sounded like someone whistling when you go really fast. So I've tried a bunch of different things, and this is the only solution that works. Go to your dealer. and don't just go to your dealer and tell them, I have a wind noise, can you fix the problem? Because then they'll try all these different things. Go to your dealer, tell them there's a TSB for this wind noise, a technical service bulletin, which means that the manufacturer knows that there is a problem with the Palisade. Hyundai knows that some of the Palisades have this wind noise, and guess what? They have a fix for it. The reason I'm telling you this, when you go to your dealer and tell them that, don't let them try all these different things, okay? I did that, and they tried a bunch of things and it didn't work, but fortunately yesterday when I went to get this fixed, one of the service members, managers, they're like, oh yeah, there's a TSB for it, we'll get it fixed up. And guess what? It worked. I no longer have, it only took them 3 hours to fix it. I no longer have that wind noise. And if you bought this vehicle new, or if you're under warranty like I was, it's absolutely free to fix it, which it should be, I think. I was at the point of thinking of using the lemon law and getting rid of this shit. It was driving me crazy. And don't go to the forums and try all those weird freaking ideas that people had, like the whole, the Frosty King put the caulk saver. That shit doesn't work. I tried that crap. So the solution for you, if you have the 2020 or 2021 Palisade wind noise, go to your dealer, go to any Hyundai dealer, and tell them that you have the wind noise and there is a TSB for this issue. The manufacturers provided it, and they will get it fixed. It worked for me. I think it'll definitely work for you. Aside from the wind noise, the Palisade is a fantastic vehicle. So get it fixed. Hope this helps. I didn't see any videos out there that was answering this problem. So hopefully this helps all of you Palisade owners. All right, good luck.